vlog. Welcome to a day in my life. Today, it's Wednesday, it's podcast day, and I also have a dentist appointment where I have to go get 2 fillings because I went to the dentist and was told they had cavities. So we have to go fix that now, and I really don't want to go do that. So we're gonna podcast this morning so that way I don't have to podcast after my appointment when half my face is like numb and gross. I'm gonna try to get to the gym, but like also somewhere in the day today I have to like do my hair. So I'm gonna try to get to the gym. We'll see though, unless I just go to the gym with a numb mouth. But yeah, I look crazy. I literally I didn't just wake up, but you know, it's the morning, it's 9 a.m. making that brekkie, making protein oatmeal that I eat every single day, and I have for the last like 3 years. Microwave some quick cooking oats. I'm gonna do vanilla protein. This one is just from Amazon. It's in my storefront. It's actually pretty good. I have like a few different brands I've been using. I'm not like too picky. The label just kind of like came off of it, so it looks like sketchy. Then I'm gonna do peanut butter. I was doing almond butter and granola butter for so long, and then I bought peanut butter and I forgot how good peanut butter is. And then I'm gonna do a bunch of berries. I'm doing raspberries, some cinnamon. And that is my breakfast. I'm not necessarily doing a full day of eating today, but if you want to see a full day of eating and like in depth on a lot of my meals, I have quite a few up from the last few weeks. You can go look over there. So it is time to get ready to podcast. It is like 10:20. We literally just sit and shit talk and drink our coffee for so long, and then also plan the episode, of course, so that we know exactly what we're gonna talk about. But I need to re-slick my hair. I need to wash it today, but that's gonna be a later issue. So it's going right back in the slick back pony, as it should. Everything I use for a slick back pony you can find on my Amazon. I'm like slowly getting really good at it. Like I used to be kind of bad at doing this, and now I think I got it down. And it was definitely like getting the right products to do it that helped. I'm starting to think that I like might not have time to go to the gym. Like I thought maybe I'd be able to figure it out, but I just don't think that that's gonna work. I might just have to like take a rest day, but we'll see. If you don't have one of these wax sticks, you're missing out. Literally a hair glue stick. Nice, so much better. Fix that. Now it's time for makeup. My skin is quite literally trash, but that's all right. I'm gonna start with some e.l.f. Acne Fighting Putty Primer. I like that this is green because I feel like it helps cancel out redness on my face. Like nothing crazy, but I think it does. And then we'll give it a second to dry. I think today I'm just gonna do concealer and not a bunch of foundation. I just think that that's gonna be the move because I know I'm going somewhere later and I don't wanna like redo a bunch of foundation. So I'm just gonna do under eye concealer, just a little bit. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Ivory. I like a really light concealer. I realized for under my eyes, I always have to go lighter than I think. And then I'm also gonna spot conceal, but because this is so light, I'm gonna mix it with my Saie Beauty Concealer because my Saie Beauty Concealer is a little bit too dark. So mixed together, it's a good spot conceal color. I got my nails done the other day and they're so freaking long. I love them, but I haven't had nails this long in like a really long time and I like don't know how to act. I'm gonna like buff this all out with a brush. This is the Saie Beauty foundation brush, and then I'm gonna tap my under eyes with my finger. So now my under eyes look insanely bright, but it all kind of like comes together once the rest of your makeup's on because it'll blend into my bronzer and my blush. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender too, even though this isn't nearly wet enough. I can spray it with some setting spray. That would work. I need a bronzer. These Say Beauty Sun Melt Cream Bronzers are my favorite. I'm obsessed with them. I like the, oh my god, I can't get it open. Okay, I can't get it open, so whatever. But I like the darker shade better because I find it to be a little bit like cooler. And this one's kind of warm, but whatever. I've been putting my bronzer lower on my face to like contour it rather than higher, and I think it suits my face shape way better. I don't even know what face shape I have, but I'm just kind of experimenting where I like putting product. This stuff just like blends really nice, so it's not like really harsh. And then I'll do some on my nose for some color. Because I want this to be really natural. I'm not going crazy like contouring. I'm just kind of throwing it everywhere and blending it out because I don't want it to look like too much. And then of course the jawline, and I just like blend it all like crazy so I don't have any harsh lines. Blush, I like my Dibs Beauty Blush. This is, what number stick is this? I'm pretty sure these sticks have numbers. I don't know what number this one is, but the shade Not So Basic, I just throw that up here. I like it higher up on my face rather than right here. A little on my nose. And then I blend that in with a brush. If I use a sponge on blush, I literally feel like it just disappears. So blending that all in, and it kind of blends into my concealer a little bit, which is like takes away that like harsh brightness and makes it look all a little bit more natural. I'm gonna spray everything. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder. I realized that this powder is literally like cement. Like if you put this on your face, your makeup is not going anywhere. However, I wouldn't say it's very translucent. I feel like it's like white. Like I feel like it's very, very bright, which I mean, if you want a really bright under eye, obviously this is gonna help really brighten it. But if you don't want it that bright, just warning, it's very bright. Like I feel like if your skin tone was like any darker than mine, it would be very harsh and very bright. But maybe I'm just in my head, I don't know. For eyes, nothing crazy. I'm gonna use my NARS Laguna bronzer as eyeshadow, just a little in my crease. And then I got a bunch of these ColourPop eyeshadow stick thingies. So I'm gonna use this one in the shade Honey Baby. I couldn't tell if that said honey or homie. And I'm just gonna put it under my eyebrow. It's literally just like a champagne metallic color. Didn't do it under my eyebrow, down the bridge of my nose, in the inner corner for some highlight. And then mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Lash Stilettos. I love this stuff. I heard that your lashes get longer if you only kind of focus it on the tips rather than the root. So that's what I tried to do now, is really get it on the tips of my lashes. If you guys can use one makeup product, what would it be? I feel like mine would be concealer. Oh, because I would just get eyelash extensions, but I feel like mine would be concealer. I need to throw on an outfit. I think I'm gonna wear just a little one piece. This is also from Amazon. I think I'm just gonna throw this on because this also seems comfortable to wear to my dentist appointment. I'm just gonna do this in like a jacket. If you still don't own one of these little active romper things, you are missing out on life. These things are so comfy. I can't even explain it. They're the easiest outfit. And you don't need to buy a really expensive, like a Aritzia one if you don't want to. The dupes and the other ones look just the same. Deodorant, Old Spice always. I don't care about the chemicals. Some body spray. I'm gonna throw earrings on. I'm so annoying. I'm like also on Amazon, but I know like I get asked about this stuff, so I want to tell you guys where it's from, and it is genuinely from Amazon. But I got a bunch of new earrings because I just wanted new hoops, but I didn't want to pay a lot of money, and these were so cheap for a bunch of them. This Polly sent me this crew neck. I can't remember if this was in my order that I did or what, but I think I'm just gonna wear this over the one piece. I like to podcast comfy. It's just better that way. Welcome to the office. So let's get things on and popping over here. We'll get the microphones all plugged in. I feel like a tech wizard setting this all up, even though I barely know what I'm doing. We've been recording such long episodes on the podcast these days, so like an hour and a half. It's insane.
My period cramps are hurting me.
I can't vlog on my camera because I'm using my SD card to film the podcast, but we are all set up. Ready to rock and roll. Water's on deck. Blanket on deck. Ready to go.
Talking shit on deck. I just got past dad bod or shredded, and I'm shredded.
Yeah, I just don't get why it has to be so definitive. Why can't it be a little in the middle?
That's the thing. That's the point of the question. Like, obviously, I would want, like, in the middle, but, like,
well,
the
people
point of the
also
question.
have different versions of dad bod.
Yeah. All right, we ready?
Yeah. We just finished recording the podcast. Now we have to package up some merch. The Future MILF hats are a hit these days. They are just flying off the shelves, so we're going to package those up for you guys. If you didn't know, all of our merch we handle, like, right here in our house. So when you order, we wait till there's like 5 to 10 orders and bring them all to the post office, which normally ends up being like within a week or two of ordering, it will ship. I just got to the dentist. Literally shoot me. I'm gonna take my aligners out so they can work on my teeth. I'm so nervous. Like, I don't want to do this. I just don't want it to hurt bad. Like, I don't want to deal with it hurting, but like whatever, I just like have to do it. I posted a TikTok saying I was gonna go do this done, so I hope people are like telling me that it's like not that bad. Like, I know I'm gonna survive. Like, it's just a cavity. Like, chill. This comment, praying for you, bestie. I too hate the dentist. Like, no, I need you to tell me that it's like not that bad. I got my AirPods locked and loaded because if I can listen to something and block out some of the noise, I will be way better, because hearing the noise gets me. Like, even with the cleaning, the cleaning doesn't hurt, obviously, but the sound of the scraping of the teeth, I literally hate. Like, if I had noise canceling headphones, I wouldn't give a shit at all, but because I can hear the scraping on the teeth, it makes me want to die. And the last thing I want to hear is like a drill in my mouth. I don't want to hear it. I want to just be, this will be in my ears. Good morning, millennials. Welcome back. I'm gonna zone into a pod and vibe. Okay, hopefully it goes good. Like, I'm in my self-care era, not really like aesthetic self-care, but going to doctor's appointments. So I have a gyno appointment this month. I'm doing this. I've been going to an esthetician. Like, I'm just taking care of shit. Really. Like, that's what I'm doing with my money, is taking care of shit. Taking care of business. Like a grown adult I am. Going to appointments by myself. But I guess I should go in. Wish me luck, guys. I'm back from the dentist. The way that was so easy. If you're nervous about going to the dentist, you have a filling to get and you're scared, trust me, that was beyond easy. They were only drilling in my mouth for 16 minutes because I started a podcast and then stopped when they told me to sit up, and it was 16 minutes. The numbing shot didn't even hurt. Like, it was all good. I expected to be there for so much longer. I was home within an hour and they did 2. Like, it was so quick and easy. I'm still numb. I don't know if I'm talking weird or you can tell, but this side of my face is like all sorts of numb. So I'm gonna do a little bit of computer work and then go to the gym. I think I have time to get a quick back day, so I'm gonna go and be productive and get my workout in. Definitely gonna have a Celsius before though. Yeah. But it was so freaking easy. I can't even tell you. Like, I'm so happy that it was easy and I just got it over with. So, yay! Cheers to that. I keep accidentally like biting my tongue, but I got some PR. I got this brand called what's it called? Green Revolution. It's like plant-based, like non-toxic, I guess, I don't know, like nail polish, and a little gel lamp to do your own gel nails, which I feel like I manifested, because the other day I was like, I wish we had a gel lamp, because I took my acrylics off, and if I had gel nail polish, I could have done my own nails in the meantime. And then right after I said that, I got an email being like, would you want one of our manicure sets? And I'm like, oh my God, I manifested that. Like, wow. So that was sick. So now I have this and I can do my own gel manicures. We love that so much. I think I'm going to make some podcast clips for reels and such. So I'm gonna get into that. I just got to the gym. I forgot my tripod for this camera. I'm really sorry, guys. So I think I'm just gonna not take you into my workout. No! Unless I like find a way to get like phone footage. I just like thought there was a tripod in my car and there's not. You win some, you lose some. Like sometimes the world just doesn't work in your favor. But I'm still having trouble drinking, but I'm having a Celsius because it's like 4 and I need something to like pick me up. I'm gonna do a quick back day and then I plan to like 7:30. So we're gonna get this done. I hope it's not too packed. Hopefully I'm beating the rush hour, but just got to lift. Should be a good back day. I'm gonna put a few clips on TikTok, so make sure you follow me on TikTok. You guys missed nothing. The way I barely did anything during that workout, but it's okay because I wasn't even gonna come today, so I thought I wasn't gonna have time. So like, I came and did more than I was gonna do, so that's fine. I just like fly through back days. Y'all know if you've watched before, back days are my favorite. They're just not, they're like not for me. Like they're not the best day of the week. Like it's easily skippable for me. I need a little bit of a snacky snack and then I need to shower and get ready because it's my Sneaky Link's birthday and we're gonna go get like drinks. Well, not just us, like he's going with his friends and I'm gonna go, which is quite scary because I'm going by myself, but whatever, I'll live. But I need to like get ready for that. I want to wash my hair. It's 4:30. I have till 7:30. I'm gonna see though if I should see if I'm gonna meet him there or not, because if I can wash my hair and get it blow dried, like I really want to take it out of this crusty slick back ponytail because it's had the same gel in it for the last 2 days and like that's crusty and disgusting, and they're gonna be like, why are you bringing this crusty disgusting girl around? No, I'm kidding, but like this ponytail is crusty and gross. But yeah, I'm going to drive home, eat a snack, get ready, pick a cute outfit. Yeah, should be a good night. Room disaster. Me, cute. I like this outfit. I love this top now that it's like spring, summer again. I brought it out. It's Princess Polly. It's so cute. It makes me feel so like dainty and girly. Love. White Fox jeans, nothing new. I wear these all the time. And then I'm gonna bring a black denim jacket because it says black in it. And I think it's supposed to be kind of cool tonight. So I'm gonna bring it. And I don't know what shoes. I don't know. I have like little slip-on heels, but that seems too much. Maybe I'll just wear black sandals. But I need to blow dry my hair and do my makeup within the next hour. I left all my mascara, but I took off all my face makeup to redo it. So we're gonna have to rapid speed, put it back on. And my cat wants to go outside. You swear you're an outdoor cat. You're not. Big podcast day today. I listened to The Toast at my dentist appointment, and now I'm listening to the new Gals on the Go. Available at retail and club. Okay, I'm here. This is the makeup, but I gotta go.